Hello friends, and welcome to Infinky Infopedia. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Apple iPhone 16. We have some exciting news about the Apple iPhone 16 series. Reports suggest that Apple is working on under-display camera technology, promising a true full-screen display. The thin bezels are about to get even thinner, with the under-panel camera technology set to enhance both Face ID and the selfie camera. But that's not all. The telephoto camera is getting a major upgrade. A whopping 48-megapixel sensor and 10 times optical zoom are on the horizon. These upgrades are designed to optimize the interaction between the headset and the iPhone, particularly with the Apple Vision Pro. Now, let's talk about the design. Leaked pre-production units reveal a new camera layout reminiscent of the iPhone X, with a vertical lens arrangement. Keep in mind that these are early units, and the final design may differ. Here's an interesting thing: a new capture button. Positioned on the right side, this capacitive touch button with haptic feedback offers various functions like a light press, a hard press, and a long hold. It's designed for seamless interaction with the camera app, ensuring a smoother user experience. Moving on to display enhancements, the iPhone 16 Pro models will feature a new OLED material set from Samsung Displays. The previous iPhones used the M12 OLED set, but the new M14 set being designed for the iPhones has reportedly got a big focus on the panel's efficiency. Apple's commitment to AI continues with an upgraded microphone for improved voice and speech recognition on the iPhone 16. This enhancement will contribute to a superior AI performance on the device. Now, for those eagerly awaiting the iPhone 16 series, let's dive into the full specs, design, and pricing for each model. Buckle up as we break down the details for the iPhone 16 series. Let's start with the standard iPhone 16. Featuring a 6.3-inch OLED display, it adopts a taller aspect ratio for an immersive viewing experience, but unfortunately, this is still going to be an LTPS display. The ceramic shield protects the display, and the dynamic island conceals the 12-megapixel selfie camera and Face ID sensors. On the rear, you'll find a 12-megapixel primary camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, powered by the A18 chipset. It's expected to come with 6 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. With a 3,450 mAh battery and 30-watt fast charging, this model ensures advanced 5G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It will of course ship with iOS 18, and it's expected to launch from around $850 in September 2024. Next up we got the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, the iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. This Pro model offers a smoother visual experience. The Ceramic Shield 3 protects the device, and the Dynamic Island covers the 12-megapixel selfie camera and Face ID sensors. On the rear, you'll find a powerful camera setup, a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel tetra prism camera with 5 times optical zoom. It's powered up by the A18 Pro chipset, and it comes with 8 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB storage. With a 3,450 mAh battery, this advanced device with 5G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7, is expected to launch around $1,100 in September 2024. Now, finally, we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. With the iPhone 16 Pro Max, we get a 6.9-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. It's protected by Ceramic Shield 3, we get the Dynamic Island, which covers up the 12-megapixel selfie cameras and Face ID sensors. The triple rear camera setup includes a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel tetra prism camera with 5 times optical zoom. Powered by the A18 Pro chipset, offering 8 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB storage. It houses a 4,500 mAh battery. Like the Pro model, it comes with advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7, and it will of course ship with iOS 18. And this one's expected to launch around $1,300 in September 2024. There you have it, a detailed breakdown of the Apple iPhone 16 series. With various models catering to different preferences and needs, Apple continues to push the boundaries of innovation. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the September 2024 launch. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest tech insights. Thanks for watching.